Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you see old stories on Instagram. So basically I'll show you where to find all of your old stories in one place. So let's follow up with me. First, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. Just make sure you have the Instagram app updated just like that to make sure everything works smoothly and to make sure we all have the same steps in this process. Let's quit the store now and open Instagram. Of course, on Instagram you have to be logged in, and first I'm gonna try to post a story right now and I'll show you how to find it later. Let me pick a random picture. I'm just gonna go with this one. I'm not gonna edit it or anything, I'm just gonna post it directly. I'm gonna wait for it for a couple of seconds until it uploads. Still posting. Let's try to refresh. Still posting. Refresh. It's taking a while. Let me go ahead and open Instagram again. Here it is, it's posted now. Let me show you where to find all of your stories now. Let's go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. That takes us to our profile. From here you tap on the three lines in the top right corner because we want to go to settings. Here we are. And from here you need to tap on archive just like that. Here you find basically all of your stories, and it says in the top stories archive. If you tap there you can find more archives, but we're looking for stories now. As you can see, this one is from 2024 and that one to the right is the latest one that I have posted. You can see if I tap in the three dots in the bottom right corner on the story, I can go ahead and delete the story if I want. I can tap in the top right corner as well and have more options, and even the delete option right here as well. That's basically how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching. See you in future videos.